Thank you very much. We're back with another John Rock video. You see,
Greenbath in the building.
Yahoo! Or should I say, Weasel.
I am Weasel. I am Weasel.
Alright guys, today we're gonna react to Little Mix. Black Magic. You see me? I don't know how for the one day, you know. You have to fit up there. So we're gonna react to Little Mix, Black Magic. No.
When a person looks up, I didn't stop to say a weird person.
What's that?
What is that? Look. Can the man look down?
How can you dog?
Crazy! No, I look weird. Like when them draw L guy
Think of the black,
Arnold.
think of that black girl there.
All the girls on the block knocking at my door. Wanna know what it is, make the boys want more.
Yeah, kind of ready.
Is your lover playing on your side?
Yo, me I like the video. Why? Started out that the girl, she's a nerd. Me have a thing for nerds, people. I don't know. I just like the girl dressing that way. I like the look of nerd.
People feel it, because
I'm more
like,
nerd.
well,
Them more down to earth and full of vibes than certain people who stuck up and stuff.
I'll tell you now, alright,
You get
my always
what I'm
want to this thing. Believe it or not, the girls that me probably like most, I like the one where, that's a nerd type girl.
Yeah.
Simple type girl. Like,
Simple.
but then I like one that full of like the nails, makeup and all them in there. No.
No offense to you know.
No,
good
yeah,
still,
no offense to the girl
Yeah,
with
me I say
makeup,
it,
but to me, rather like simple girls, you see me?
Yeah.
If I even have nerd glasses, me no care.
Me not care.
I care.
Give me a
Yes.
braces. Love that.
Mm.
Me not care.
Alright.
Yeah.
That's me.
But he loves you, but he ain't got
She big up a still now.
Yeah. The attitude there.
get it, and a knockdown eyes.
Over there. Aye.
Full of honey
Alright, popular kid them dog.
to make him sweet. So ballin', just to help him see what he's been missing. Come and get it while you still got time. Get your boy on his knees and repeat after me. Say, take a sip from my secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. First love that can't be broken. One drop should be enough. Boy, you've been
So that sounds good man.
Yeah, them one be the war more for ya. Yeah, them love it. That's them one. Them have a Katy Perry, Taylor Swift for them type of.
Yeah,
She look like Katy Perry now.
Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
can't be broken.
Woo!
All night. Boy, you've been to me. The recipe and it's called black magic. If you
Oh, ball, nerd them gone dog.
for Mr. Right, need that magic to change him overnight.
Woo!
Yes, I
Nerd them gone, you.
get it. Why you still
Come get it while you got time,
I'm gonna
yo.
try Little Kim dog.
get your boy on his knees and repeat
Yeah, African Queen.
potion. I'll make you fall in love. First love that can't be broken. One drop
That's crazy. Oh,
Transforming me in a girl.
what are they like? All the girl of the nerd. My boy.
Nerd.
Take a sip from a secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. For a spell that can be broken, one drop should be enough. Boy, you belong to me.
Nah,
The
nerd.
recipe is cold, and it's called black magic. Take a sip from a secret potion. I'll taste you, you'll be mine. It's a spell that can't be broken. It'll keep you up all night. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe, and it's called black magic.
I love
You have to just remember that one girl.
Yeah?
You have to just remember that one girl when you hear music like this.
Yeah. Music I want to be that.
Man,
Yo,
everyone
but they don't say me love them type of music. What about them usually? Katy Perry and them girl back then. Taylor Swift. You know, no thing going on there, you see me?
Boys will be boys, oh yes they will. They just wanna deny it. When you don't know the thing, go just react to something more.
Yeah, little mix.
You get me,
Black
I say?
magic, sound good still.
Yeah, man,
Yeah, see me? And girl, introduce me to you. As I said, someone subscribe them, introduce me to the thing, them, and we can go about it, you see me?
Yeah.
So, alright guys, peace out. You are on the thing, you sign out to that.